just got here at Williamsburg. We just checked in. I didn't vlog the whole processes of us getting here because it was crazy. We left way later than we were supposed to, so I didn't even vlog that. But we are here. It's nighttime, so unfortunately I can't show you Busch Gardens, but we are right across from Busch Gardens, which is right across here. So in the morning you guys will see the park or whatever, but we're staying at the Blue Green Parkside. It's a accent resort with the Choice brand, I guess. I'm not really sure. I'll put all the information down below in the video. Y'all ready for Busch Gardens tomorrow? Yeah? Yeah? All right. All right, they're about to get this PlayStation thing started. So just in case you were wondering, you can't plug in your PlayStation. I believe you can plug it into all the rooms. So yeah, if anybody wants to play PlayStation while on vacation, there you go. All right, so I'll see you guys in a few at Walmart, or I'll see you in the morning. Later. Somebody grab a cart. Go grab a cart over there, Christian. Tiana, come on.
Food is my favorite.
Okay. Alright, let's go down this aisle. Hoping they got some. Oh, they got beer down here. Yes. Yes. We're gonna get us some wine because the mama needs some wine.
This one.
Girl, come on. Sorry.